Have you ever cooked an Asian style pot rice in this Faber Sydney rice cooker? Well, if you haven't, let's start cooking. And I have 2 pots with this, so literally I can cook and plan for 2 dishes at a time. So let's get on cooking. We're starting with the cook mode. Let's start off by adding a tablespoon of vegetable oil in this. Along with that, I have about 50 grams of butter. I'm just going to make sure that this melts properly, covering this so it starts literally getting heated very fast. So once you can actually feel the heat over the cover, it means we're actually ready to cook, to which I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic, 2 tablespoons of chopped ginger, 1 to 2 medium-sized chilies chopped up. Along with this, I'm going to be adding my vegetables, which is half a medium-sized carrot, about half a cup of bell peppers, about 6 to 7 sliced button mushrooms. Okay. Oh yes. Now you can see these vegetables are really nicely getting sauteed in here. Now it's time for me to add the edamame. अभी हम डालेंगे हमारे sauces. तो 1 tablespoon light soya sauce, 1 tablespoon dark soya sauce, red chili powder, जीरा पाउडर और थोड़ा सा नमक स्वाद अनुसार to taste. Give this a nice mix. Beautiful. And let it saute for 1 to 2 minutes. Now it's time to add the rice. Wow, I can already get such an amazing aroma from our vegetables. अभी हम इसमें हमारे soaked चावल डाल देते हैं. उसको अभी हल्का सा हम मिक्स करेंगे. और अभी हम इसमें डालेंगे पानी. Give this a little mix. I also have some spring onions which I'm going to put inside here. You could do with a little more salt. Give this a nice mix. Let's plate this up. Wow. Fantastic. So this lovely pot rice is ready. Next, a little bit of nice crispy spring onions. Asian pot rice with seasonal vegetables ready.